If I bleed tonight, if I am sad tonight, I don't have a job to find. And if I work tonight, if I'm so tired tonight, I'll fall asleep when I'm home.
Team UPR developed these plug-and-play fittings to replace the Ford PCV valve cover fittings, giving you the ability to delete your PCV and reduce crankcase pressure, allowing the clean side of the PCV to flow freely without all the back pressure the PCV creates. So it's a great mod for all you guys with Coyotes. Shouldn't take that long to install, and the product features an Allen wrench, OEM O-ring seal, show quality black anodized, exclusive locking set screw system, factory cam groove for an easy install, high flow billet PCV delete to reduce crankcase pressure, allows for simple conversion to catch can or breather tank. And for 30 bucks a piece, it's a no-brainer to replace for safety and beauty as well. Alright, right now we're going to start with the removal of the factory PCV valve from Ford. And literally it just takes a set of pliers and turn it counterclockwise. And there you go. So yeah, the black one's the UPR and the blue one's the Ford factory one. Thank you, Schuyler. So in order to do the install, you need a 1-inch deep socket. Schuyler is installing the new PCV UPR provided fitting. And it should be just clockwise, right? There you go. Outstanding. So it's a lot slicker look, show quality, and it also peace of mind. Shouldn't take you no more than 10 minutes with proper tools. Thanks a lot for watching.
If I'm sad tonight